Ever wondered what's actually inside your computer? It might seem like a box of magic, but it's really a team of specialized components working together. Let's break it all down in the next 5 minutes. First up, the brain of the operation, the CPU, or Central Processing Unit. Think of it as the super-fast calculator that executes all the instructions for your programs. The faster your CPU, the quicker your computer can think. Intel and AMD are the big names you'll see here. Next, we have RAM, or Random Access Memory. This is your computer's short-term memory. It holds the data for the apps you're currently using, allowing the CPU to access it instantly. The more RAM you have, the more things you can do at once without your computer slowing down. It's like having a bigger desk to spread your work out on. But where does everything live permanently? That's the job of the storage drive. Traditionally, this was a hard disk drive, or HDD, which uses spinning platters. They offer huge amounts of space for cheap. But the new kid on the block is the solid-state drive, or SSD. SSDs have no moving parts, making them incredibly fast, quiet, and durable. Most modern PCs use an SSD for the operating system and a larger HDD for files. Now for the pretty pictures. The GPU, or Graphics Processing Unit, is what creates the images you see on your screen. For basic tasks like browsing the web, the graphics built into the CPU are enough. But for gaming, video editing, or 3D modeling, you need a powerful, dedicated graphics card from companies like NVIDIA or AMD. This is the artist of the group. All these parts need a place to live and talk to each other. That's the motherboard. It's the central nervous system, a giant circuit board connecting everything. It has slots for the CPU, RAM, GPU, and connectors for all your other devices. The motherboard determines what components you can use and how you can upgrade in the future. Of course, none of this works without electricity. The power supply unit, or PSU, takes power from your wall outlet and converts it into the specific voltages your components need. A good quality PSU is crucial for a stable and safe system. Don't cheap out on this. Finally, all these components generate heat. To keep them from overheating, you need a cooling system. This can be as simple as a fan attached to a heatsink on your CPU, or a more complex liquid cooling setup that uses tubes and a radiator. Proper cooling is essential for performance and longevity. And there you have it. All these parts are housed in a case, which protects them and helps with airflow. So the CPU is the brain, RAM is the short-term memory. The storage drive is the long-term memory. The GPU is the artist. The motherboard is the nervous system. The PSU is the heart, and the cooling system keeps everyone from getting too stressed. It's a digital symphony working just for you. I hope this quick tour helped demystify what's inside your computer. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.